You might say, well, what if you have a 3-digit number? Let's try one of those. Here we'll have 633 times 24. Four times 3, there are no zeros at all. We're in the ones column, so it's just 12. 4 times 30, there's 1 0 for the 30, the 3 and the tens. Now I can just go 12. When over here, the 6 has 2 zeros on it because it's in the hundreds column. I'm going to place my 2 zeros and then multiply. 4 times 6 is 24. Okay, we're done with this number. 2 times 3, well, 2 has a 0 on it because it's in the tens column. 2 times 3 is 6. Now both of these numbers have zeros on them. We're in the tens column, so I'm going to put my zeros in, and then 2 times 3 is 6. When I go here, the 2 has a 0 on it. Let's get rid of that one. And the 6 has 2 zeros on it. Now 2 times 6 is 12. Do you see how necessary it is to think about those place values? All right, the multiplication was fairly easy. There was no carrying in that at all. We did, however, have to be careful of the placements of the zeros. Then the addition part might have some carrying in it. So this is 2. Here we have 6, 7, 8, 9. A group to 10 here, 11. Carry the 1. 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. And this lonely 1 over here. We have 995. 995 times 72. If you're drilling at home, if you're trying to figure out problems for your kids at home, use a deck of cards. It's very easy. I'm sure you have a deck somewhere around the house, and these cards are easy to transport too. If you kept them in your purse and did math while you were waiting for your hamburger at a restaurant or something. The ones column, we don't have to worry about the zeros because it's just there. It's just a single digit. 2 times 5 is 10. But that 0 is part of the actual answer. Now we're going to go 2 times 9, D, 90. It's in the tens column. So I have to put a 0 down to start with before I do any of the multiplication. 2 times 9 is 18. And when I come way over here, this 9 has 2 zeros in it. It's in the hundreds column. I'm going to place them. And then 2 times 9 is 18. We're all done with this one. 7D, there's a 0 in this 7. It's in the tens column. So let's just get rid of that first. Then we can go 7 times 5 is 35. When we go 7 times 9, they're both in the tens column. So both of those numbers have a 0. We'll memorialize it there. 7 times 9 is 63. Now when we come over here, 7D has 1 0 in it, and 900 has 2 zeros in it. Now we can go 7 times 9 is 63. And everything is in the correct columns because we paid attention to all these placeholder zeros. Adding it up, here we have 8, 9, and 8 and 9 is 8 plus 1 is 9, and 5 more is 14. Carry 1. I'm looking for groups of 10s. I see here 8, 9, and the one that I'm carrying. So let's group that together to 10, and then we have 16. Carry 1. All of this makes a 10. 6 plus 3 plus 1 is 10, 11, carry 1, and 7. This is partial products in multiplication.